The topics pronouns. Ya, share screen. Second group ya. Rizky, Ifroh, Lulu, Nur Aziza, share screen, please. You explain the topic chapter second ya, chapter 2 pronouns ya. What is the pronouns? Okay, come on please.
Iya, momen
Miss,
please
bentar,
sister.
Miss.
Iya itu.
Okay, don't forget you use record ya.
Oke, Miss.
Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We from member of the second group wanna presentation of chapter 2 pronouns. A. Objective of the study. 1. To explain the function of pronouns. 2. To explain the types of pronoun. B. Material description. And 1. Introduction. Penguin. There are 18 different kinds of penguin and they all live south of equator. The largest are the emperor penguins which live in Antarctica. They lay their eggs about 50 miles from the coast. There the penguin have nothing to make a nest out of. But the eggs cannot be laid directly on the ice, or they would freeze. The emperor penguin have to take care of their eggs in a special way. The female top of his feet. A special fold of skin on the bottom of his stomach come down over the egg to protect it from the cold from 2 months. The male penguins stand together to protect themselves from the cold with their eggs on their feet. They cannot move or eat. The male goes to find food as soon as she lays her egg. Finally, after 2 months, she returns and takes eggs from the male. The male penguin, which now has had no food for 2 months, returns to the sea after the egg is hatched. The female and the male take turns carrying the baby penguins on their feet. When the weather gets cold, the baby is covered by the fold of skin, which keeps it warm. Exercise 1. Pronouns are tested on TOEFL tests. Answer the following question using a pronoun. 1. Where do the emperor penguin live? The answer is they all live south of equator. Number 2. How many eggs does the female emperor produce at a time? The answer is the female produces 1 egg. Number 3. What does the male emperor penguin use to protect the egg from the cold? The answer is a special fold of skin on the bottom of his stomach comes down over the egg to protect it from the cold. Number 4. Why do the male emperor penguin use to protect the egg from the cold? The answer is because the female goes to find food as soon as she lays her egg. Number 5. Where do the males put their egg when they stay together? The answer is for 2 months, the male penguins stand together to protect themselves from the cold with their eggs under feet. Number 6. Where does the female go? The answer is the female goes to find food as soon as she lays her egg. Number 7. When does she return? After 2 months. The answer is after 2 months, she returns and takes eggs from the male. Number 8. What does the male penguin do after she returns? The answer is the male penguin, which now has had no food for 2 months, return to the sea. Exercise 2. From the reading, work out the whether the statement are true or false. Mark T if it's true, and mark F it is false. From the number 1, there are no penguin on the North Pole. The answer is false. Number 2, all penguins live south of the equator.
Ini
Then-
stop. Sebentar,
Iya, Miss.
sebentar. Ini close cam semua ya? Yang on cam cuma Mem Rohimah ya? Jadi saya deret semua ya. Hari ini tidak ada yang masuk, hanya untuk presentation aja. Soalnya saya screenshot, Anda semuanya close cam. Jadi kalau close cam itu saya anggap tidak masuk. Untuk absensinya tidak masuk, tapi untuk presentasinya masuk. Tapi untuk absensi mohon maaf saya anggap tidak masuk semua. Sampai seterusnya 14 kali tatap muka. Kalau seperti ini memberitahu setiap hari saya memberitahu on cam, on cam, on cam. Rasanya saya bawel. Saya tidak suka seperti ini. Terserah, up to you saya. Jadi hari ini anggap kalian tidak masuk semua. Tapi tetap perkuliahan ada. Kan dari awal, the first meet, setiap every learning in English with Mem Rohimah on cam. Kalau sampai tidak on cam, saya anggap tidak masuk. Tapi pembelajaran tetap ada. Ya, saya umumkan ini. Terakhir saya umumkan. Besok-besok sih saya tidak akan mengumumkan lagi. Itu hanya ada di diri kalian sendiri yang merubahnya. Oh iya saya kuliah, ya sudah on cam. Setiap dengan mata kuliah siapapun, dosen siapapun, itu hati kalian sendiri. Saya tidak mau berceramah di sini. Oke, next. Lanjut. Silakan presentasi. Wucus, please.
Okay, Miss. Exercise 2. From the reading, work out whether the statement are true or false. Mark it 3 if it's true, and mark it F if it's false. Number 1. There are no penguins on the North Pole. The answer is false, because in the North Pole is many penguins. Number 2. All penguins live south of the equator. The answer
Kabel
is
signal. Suara saudara terputus-putus. Ganti. Oke, ganti. Ifrah, Lulu, Nur Aziza. Come on, please. Di handle. Lulu. Suara Rizky ini terputus-putus.
sorry.
Signalnya trouble.
Miss, maaf Miss.
Ya.
Number 2. All penguin live south of the equator. The answer is true, because the all penguin live in south of the equator. Number 3. All penguins are the same. The answer is false, because many type of penguin. Number 4. All penguins have folds under their abdomen. The answer is true, because the penguin have folds under their abdomen. Number 5. The fold of skin is used only to keep egg warm. The answer is true, because the fold of skin is used only to keep the egg warm. Number 6. Only the female takes care of the penguin chicks. The answer is false, because the men have 2. Number 7. Emperor penguins do not make nests. The answer is true. Number 8. Emperor penguins lay their eggs very near the sea. The answer is false, because the penguin lay their eggs is far from the sea.
Number 2. Grammar pronouns. There are 5 forms of pronoun in English. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and relative pronouns. Possessive adjective will also be included in this chapter. So they are not pronouns strategy. It is important to know the 5 forms of pronouns and the possessive adjectives that are after converses with them. As mom include the us of one people or form of pronoun in place of another. Subject pronoun. I, you, they, we, she, he, it. The subject pronoun is asset. When it is the subject of a verb, they left south of the equator. When the subject of the two clauses are compared, they are more rooted against the cold than we are. After the verb to be, it is he with the egg. After us and then, she is not answered as he is. Object pronouns. Me, you, him, her is just as you them. The object pronoun is a when it is the direct object of a verb, we give it in the egg. After preposition, when Sarah returns, the takes over the egg from him. But when the preposition introduces a noun call, the subject pronoun must be used but when the preposition because the pronoun is now the subject of the noun clause. He lives after six reason. We the object of two clauses are compared is it is a short for them than us. Exercise 3. Number 1. He helps she take care of the baby penguin. The answer is her. Number 2. He lies her egg and then leaves. Number 3. Number C. They feed them on the can sweep. Number 4. It is not easy for they to survive and safe condition. The answer is them. Number 1. It is harder for him than for C. The answer is C. Possessive adjective. My earlier her is there to modify a noun and so ownership. The lie there X above figures from in the cause. To refer to part of the body. The male penguin rolls the egg on top of this stick. To modify a ground we are surprised by their nesting in such harsh conditions. As a part. Number 1. She lies her egg. The answer is her. Number 2. He has a special coat of skin on the bottom of his stomach. The answer is his. Number 3. They take care of their young in a special way. The answer is theirs. Number 4. It is protected from the cold by his father. The answer is his. Number 5. They keep the eggs on his skin. The answer is his.
Next, the possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, her, it, ours, yours, theirs. The possessive pronoun is used. Number 1, to replace a possessive adjective and a noun. She takes her turn and he takes his turn. Number 2, after the verb to be, the egg is hers. After the preposition has, it means one of many. It is a habit of theirs. Or to replace the second possessive adjective and noun when they are being compared. They seem more difficult
Kamar dia.
than
Kamar dulu. Gerah. Coba bikin di situ. Laptop buruan ada. Laptop.
next exercise.
Iya. Asal ada yang
The correct pronoun. Number 1, it is an experiment of his or him. The answer is 2. The elderly penguins live in a cold climate, but the emperor penguins live in a harsher climate than them or theirs. The best answer, theirs. 3. 7 nations claim that Antarctica is their or theirs. The best answer, theirs. Number 4. The
Okay.
research
I'm sorry. Exercise 6. Circle the correct pronouns. Itu langsung jawabannya aja dilingkarin. Di sini jawabannya tidak ada. Anda jawabannya apa? It is an experiment of him. Berarti yang Anda himnya itu Anda lingkarin. Atau color red. Dikasih warna merah. Ya. It is an experiment of him. Misalkan. Nah, maka dari itu circle lingkarin himnya. Atau red color. Dikasih warna merah. Ya.
Nah, itu.
Ya, itu direvisit. Ya, di revisi exercise 6. Oke, next coba.
Baik, Miss.
You noted. Kamu catat. Next
Ya.
next slide.
Oh,
Jangan
next,
dibaca
next.
lagi, itu percuma, salah Anda.
Next slide.
Next slide. Nggak bisa, berarti keluarin dulu. Oke, reflexive.
Reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. The reflexive pronoun is used to emphasize the subject, noun, or pronoun it refers to and to emphasize the fact that the subject did the action alone. He takes care of the act himself, or he himself takes care of the act. B as the object of a verb when the subject and object are the same. They stand together to protect themselves from the cold. C as the object of the preposition by when the subject did the action alone. The penguin sick in unable to get food itself. Exercise 7. Complete the sentence with the correct reflexive pronoun. Number 1. Penguins pass themselves along the ice using their flippers. Number 2. To protect itself from the cold, the penguin has a layer of fat under its feathers. 3. The female lays her egg and walks back to the sea by herself.
Okay, next. This is penguin push themselves. Themselves itu the answer-nya. Mem tanya. The answer-nya itu.
Iya, Miss.
Oke. Coba correlative pronouns. Nanti dulu. Saya baru bicara tadi. Coba. Yang exercise. Nah, exercise 7 itu kan penguin push themselves. Nah, themselves itu the best answer-nya.
Iya, Miss.
Nah, ya oke. Itu di red color, diwarnain merah biar jelas.
Iya, siap, Miss. Nanti di revisi.
Ya. Jadi the best answer, setiap jawaban terbaik itu harus dikasih warna red color. Biar untuk apa? Untuk memperjelas aja. Nah, ya. Maksudnya bukan begitu red colornya, tulisannya. Nggak kelihatan kalau gitu, hanya tulisannya aja. Ya, tulisannya write-nya. Bukan semuanya di red color, hanya tulisannya aja. Ya. Oke. Sampai seterusnya itu ya.
Oke,
Oke.
ma'am.
Nah, itu diperbaiki. The next coba. Next slide. Jangan seperti itu ya nanti. Hanya tulisannya aja. Oke, next. Nah, relative pronouns. Oke. Ucus, please.
F. Relative pronouns. The relative pronouns in English are who, whose, which, and that. Strategy. It is important to make sure that the relative pronouns agree with that subject. Who refers to people and household animals. Refresh. Who refers to people and household animals. It is used in the object possession in formal written English or with who plus and preposition in spoken English.
Preposition
in spoken English. Whose refers to people, animals.
Whose
refers to people, animals, and things is it shows possession. Which refers
to things.
Which refers to things, collective nouns, and animals. That refers to people, animals, and things. Exercise 8. Correct relative pronouns errors where necessary in the following sentence. 1. There are 18 different kinds of penguins whom live south of the equator. Not whom. The answer is which. 2. The biologists which went to the South Pole in studying emperor penguins. Not which. The answer is who. Number 3.
Oke, dijelaskan di sini. Everyone, there are 18 different kind of penguin whom live south of the equator. This is whom. This is wrong. Ini salah. Ya, whom itu salah. Maka the best answer which. Begitu. Oke, the best answer-nya which. Jadi there are 18 different kinds of penguins which live short of the equator. Dijelaskan seperti itu sehingga audiens paham. Apa ini? Kok di garis bawahi whom? Kok tiba-tiba di sini ada buka kurung which? Nah, audiens kadang nggak paham, ya. Dijelaskan seperti itu. Nah, iya harus diberitahu, ya. You explain detail, oke. Next slide aja. Tadi udah saya sampaikan, explain, okay. On the TOEFL test. Okay, which is please. Come on, which is please. Pronouns are
3. On the TOEFL test. Pronouns are tested in written expression action tested in written expression action of the exam. Check for the following types of errors with pronouns. 1. Incorrect pronouns from or type might be used of the possessive pronouns or hers might be used instead of the possessive adjective or her. Example, the young emperor Qik stand in front of one of its parents to be protect of the cold. The best answer is C. Front of one. The possessive form it must be used, not the object form. Number 2, the pronoun might not agree with the noun it refers to. Example, sometimes penguins slide on their stomach, passing itself with their flippers. Correct answer is C. Itself.
Oke. This is ini kan pronouns ya, chicks ya, the young chicks. The best answer-nya langsung di red color aja. Ya, biar di sini kan the best answer is C. The possessive form it is must. C itu bukannya di sini of one of ya? Of one of ya?
Iya,
Yang B-nya apa ini?
One of.
Ya, front of one of itu ya.
Iya.
Nah, of one of-nya itu dikasih red color aja. Jadi ini tidak perlu the best answer is C. The possessive form it is must be used, not the object form. Saya bingung nih kalau kayak gini. Ya, ini yang TOEFL apa yang apa sih?
Yang
TOEFL kan?
TOEFL.
Yang soalnya 21 ya, sampai 21 kan? Betul nggak?
Iya.
Nah, iya, bagus. Iya, soalnya ada 21, 20-an. 21. Nah, ini tolong harus Anda nggak usah the best answer is C. Number second, the best answer C gitu. Nggak perlu. Ya. Ini ada 21 ini kalau nggak salah nih soal. Nah, 21 Anda harus meringkesnya. Jadi number 1 tadi B langsung the red color. Bisa? Revisi ya. Nggak usah
Yes,
ditulis.
Miss.
The correct answer is B. The relative pronouns which is not necessary in this sentence because there is only one verb live. Nggak usah gitu loh.
Enggak, Miss. Ini bukan soalnya, tapi ini emang yang dari penjelasan dari awalnya. Kalau soalnya yang bawahnya.
Oh,
Iya, ini
iya,
penjelasannya.
iya.
Jadi kita masukin ringkasan penjelasannya juga.
Oh, pantesan saya bingung. Ya wes, oh ini contoh.
Iya, contoh. Jadi emang dari sananya jadi kita taruh ngejelasinnya biar paham gitu.
Oh ya, udah ya. Coba soalnya, coba lihat. Saya mau soalnya. Yang ada cik-cik-ciknya. Nah, iya tuh. The penguin chick cannot ya install the water to get them served. Nah, the answer-nya mana?
Them, Miss. Themselves. Not them, but their.
Themselves. Themselves
Yes.
yang A, B, C, or D?
B.
Themselves.
Ya.
Bukan the penguin chicks. Them.
Them.
Oke. Berarti themselves-nya Anda di red color.
Oh ya, itu saya tebelin tapi kurang tebel kayaknya, Miss.
Iya, jangan ditebelin. Jadi bingung nih, matanya yang kayak Mem Rohima ini, saya pikir yang jawabannya ini, the penguin chicks, yang E. Makanya kamu bilang yang B. Oh, hampir sama ini. Karena digaris bawain semua kan ya.
Iya,
Betul nggak? Nah,
betul.
yang C juga, they have waterproof. Ya, yang D-nya their parents. Nah, yang the best answer-nya berarti themselves.
Themselves.
Ya, themselves itu di red color. Bisa? Bisa
Iya,
ya?
bisa, Miss. Bisa.
Nah, itu biar membedakan antara blacks and red.
Oke,
Red
Miss.
itu jawabannya berarti the best answer. Oke. Ya sudah, itu aja. Next slide. Oke, next slide. Terus sampai 20. Oh, udah selesai. Loh, kok
Yes.
kamu nulisnya cuma sedikit? Itu number 1 hampir number 5. Nah, itu Anda harus membuatnya sampai 20. Ya, paham nggak? Berarti Anda revisi tuh. Oke. Mem akan jelaskan di sini. Ya, you noted sambil kamu mencatatnya mana yang harus direvisi. Ya, the first ya, objective of the study ya. To explain di slide yang pertama tuh, the first slide. Ya, the first slide to explain the function of pronouns, to explain the types of pronouns. Material description, introduction, penguins, good job. And exercise 1. Exercise 1 ini petunjuknya harus jelas. Exercise 1 ini tentang apa? Oh, di sini pronouns are tested on TOEFL test. Answer the following question using a pronouns. Ya, where do you emperor penguins live? Nah, Anda jawab they all live south of equator. Good job. Nah, ini no revisit, tidak ada revisit di exercise 1. Bagus semuanya. Oke, next. Itu jawabannya, maksudnya the question in the best answer ya, di answer jawabannya langsung di bawah. Oke. Jadi ada kelompok lain, kelas lain jawabannya beda slide gitu. Makanya sampai slide-nya 30-40-an kemakan. Jadi lebih spesifik, lebih efisien seperti ini. Exercise 1 ya. Where do the emperor or penguins live ya? The answer, they all live short of equator. Good job. Next, exercise second. Exercise second. Nah, ini true or false. Good job. Bagus. Langsung jawabannya false ya. Oke. Grammar pronouns and then subjects pronouns and objects pronoun. Nah, coba kita exercise 3. Ya, the head bla bla bla, she take care of the body penguin. Nah, Anda jelaskan tadinya menggunakan she. Tapi subjek yang pertamanya adalah he, maka kita ganti her. Ya, di sini she atau he yang kepake. She maka her. Kalau she, her. He apa ini? Yang number second mana jawabannya? She lies. She lies itu him atau her? Tidak ada jawabannya ini. Coba lihat exercise 3. Revisi ya.
Baik,
Paham
Ma'am.
nggak? Nah, ini. She lies her eggs and then lives. Nah, ini the answer-nya apa? Coba, saya number 1. Number 1 kan he helps, she take care of the baby penguins. Ini he atau she? Maka jawabannya the answer-nya her. Gitu. Kemudian yang number 3, David them until they can swim. The answer-nya apa? Nah, ini jawabannya mana? Kok belum dijawab? Sama. Ini harus direvisi. Saya jeli melihat PPT saudara. Oke, possessive adjective, good job. Ya, exercise 4. Exercise 4 ini petunjuknya apa? Ya, sama dengan exercise 3. Petunjuknya mana? Perintah. Perintah exercise 3 itu harus ditulis. The put atau the circle atau the sentences following apa? Jangan exercise 3 langsung soal. Exercise 4 langsung soal. Bingung perintahnya apa? Apakah possessive objektif atau possessive subject? Bingung. Ada objective pronouns atau subject pronoun. Perintahnya apa? Exercise 3 ini. And exercise 4 juga perintahnya apa? Kalau memang perintahnya possessive adjective, jadi tulis istilah soal di bawah ini menggunakan possessive adjective. Ada perintahnya itu. Coba lihat di modul. Ini tiba-tiba exercise 4, langsung soal. Kan bingung audiens. Ya enggak? Itu harus dikasih keterangan. Revisi, exercise 4 revisi. Nah, exercise. Nah, ini betul nih, exercise 6, circle. Ada circle-nya. Petunjuknya adalah circle the correct pronouns. Jadi lingkari kalimat pronouns-nya. Contoh di sini ya, number 1, it is an experiment ya of lingkarin itu atau di red color. Kok jawabannya his? Kenapa his? Maka dilingkarin. Atau jawabannya kenapa his? His itu untuk apa? Untuk kata benda atau him? Anda jelaskan. Jangan dibaca doang. Ya. Biasanya his itu untuk apa? Kalau di sini his, her, it is, ours. Maksudnya apa itu? Bingung kan? Harus dijelaskan. It is a habit of theirs. Nah, makanya di sini ada it is an experiment of. Ada it is, maka kita gunakan kenapa him. Nah, di sini kan di soalnya itu him atau his. Kamu jawabnya his. Ya sudah, circle gitu ya, dilingkarin. Jangan digarisbawain. Bisa dilingkarin? Bisa?
Iya, Miss.
Oke. Kecuali di situnya underline. Underline maka harus digarisbawahi perintahnya gitu. Dilihat perintahnya. Oke. Itu revisi
Miss,
ya,
maaf,
direvisi.
maaf, Miss. Tapi yang di exercise 4 memang nggak ada perintah yang dari PDF. Ya, yang 5 ya.
Yang mana?
Jadi yang 4 Miss. Yang ini. Exercise 4 itu yang dari PDF itu nggak ada disuruh lingkarin atau disuruh garis gitu.
Tidak
Jadi
ada
langsung
perintahnya, exercise 4.
Ya, berapa? 5 ya?
Masa sih?
Itu exercise 5.
Iya, 4.
Berarti di sini 4.
Iya, Miss, yang 4 jadi langsung exercise. Terus bawahnya langsung she lays titik X gitu, Miss.
Oh, tidak ada perintahnya. Ya udah, is okay, good job. Tidak revisi berarti. Di exercise 4 tidak ada revisi. Oke, good job. Exercise 6 revisi ya.
Baik, Miss, yang lain.
Refleksif For reflexive pronouns, okay, good job, bagus. And exercise 7. Nah, ini perintahnya complete the sentences with the correct reflexive pronouns. Nah, oke, ini di red color ya. Biar berbeda sendiri, red color.
Baik,
Oke,
Miss.
good job. Oke, good job. Relative pronouns, good job. And exercise H, corrective relative pronouns. Nah, ini whom, whom-nya itu diganti dengan which. Maka which-nya red color. Jawabannya adalah which. Jadi jawabannya adalah there are 18 different kind of penguins which live south of the equator. Itu cara bacanya nanti. Karena langsung jawabannya yang terbaik, the best answer-nya. Oke, good job. On the TOEFL, ya, good job. And nah, exercise-nya ini number 1 until 21 semua ditulis. Anda baru nulis 5. Masih kurang banyak ini. Tambahkan slide-nya ya. Oke. Are you agree? Setuju ya?
Miss, maaf Miss, untuk yang terakhir juga yang TOEFL itu cuma 12 Miss, bukan 21. Nanti yang emang kita masih kurang sih Miss, nanti kita isi sisanya.
Oh, 21 apa 12?
Iya Miss, langsung dari 12 tuh langsung meeting 3 Miss.
Oh, sebentar. Kok kelas lain kok 21 sih? Sebentar, saya lihat kelas E nih. Saya lihat kelas, iya, saya kelas E, PAIA. Sebentar. Saya buka PAIA-nya nih. Mana PAIA tadi? Barusan tadi jam 8. PAIA. Nih. PAIA itu sampai, sebentar. Saya buka ya. Sampai mana nih? Ada basic pronouns table-nya enggak kamu? Oh iya 12. Iya bagus. Ya, sorry. Saya pikir 21, mata saya yang kebalik. 12, ingatnya 21. Oke. Nah, Anda
Baik,
tambahkan basic pronouns. Basic pronouns-nya. Ditulis basic pronouns table-nya, tambahkan coba. Kamu nggak ada basic pronouns table-nya. Di sini basic pronouns table-nya adalah singular, tunggal, and plural. Subject did, it, I, you, ya, she, he, it, we, you, they. And object shall, ya, me, you, her, him, it, is, use, you, them. Nah, ini ada kunci basic pronouns table, ya. Possessive adjective, books, ya, book, my, your, her, his, it is, our, your, their. And possessive pronouns, it is mine, your, her, his, our, yours, theirs. Reflexive, it is self, ourself, yourself, and themselves. Itu kamu minta sama PAIA, minta di copy. Anda masukkan, ya.
Baik, Miss.
Oke, itu tambahan dari Mem Rohimah. Ya, I'm sorry, 12. Jadi Anda menulisnya number 1 until number 5. Berarti masih kurang 6.
7, Miss.
Ya,
Yeah, 7.
tambahkan. And ditambah lagi tadi apa namanya? Table objective pronouns ya.
Iya, Miss.
Oke, itu saja tambahkan dari Mem. Oke, saya kira cukup penjelasan dari Mem Rohimah ya. Ada input and suggestion-nya. You complete it. Oke.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, everyone, maybe question. You give time 5 minutes, silakan. Mungkin ada yang mau ditanyakan. Anda berikan saya waktu 5 menit. Oke, please. Ada. Bagaimana? Apakah di mana yang Anda mendapat kesulitannya? Apa di ininya? Meaning pronouns, and then the object pronouns and subject pronouns, ya. And then possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, subjects pronouns, objects pronouns, possessive adjective, and possessive pronouns. This is reflexive pronouns. Anda example reflexive pronouns. Di mana Anda bingungnya? Silakan. Mumpung masih ketemu Mem Rohimah di jam pagi ini. Silakan. Tanya. Silakan. Maybe question? Ucus please. Nothing? Berarti kalau Anda keep silent, diam saja, cukup paham ya? Understood. Oke. Enough. Saya kira demikian. Thank you for your attention. Say together, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you.
Don't forget second group share link YouTube-nya. Oke. Ya, jangan lupa share. Don't forget share in group link YouTube. Ya, welcome. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Acara ini dulu kan ini. Jangan salah pencet nanti enggak. Ini stop ya. Stop share. Ini. Stop recording ya.